Here's how to fix we couldn't sign you into Xbox Live Windows. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch it. From the menu on the left, select Apps, then open Installed Apps. At the top, use the search field and enter Edge. When Microsoft Edge appears, click the three dots beside it and choose Modify. A new window will open, so select Repair. Windows will now reinstall Microsoft Edge. Wait until the repair process has completely finished. If Microsoft Edge doesn't appear in your installed applications, it may have been removed from the computer. In that case, open your web browser and search for Download Microsoft Edge. Open the official Microsoft website from the search results and download Edge from there. Follow the installation instructions to put the browser back on your computer. Once Edge is installed or repaired, return to Settings, then Apps and Installed Apps. Next, search for Xbox in the Installed Apps section. You should see the Xbox application and Xbox-related components in the results. Find the Xbox app, click its three-dot menu, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. You'll find two options here. Start by selecting Repair and wait a few seconds for the process to finish. After that, click Reset and confirm the reset by selecting Reset again. Once both operations have been completed for the Xbox app, return to the Installed Apps list. Search for Xbox again and locate Xbox Live. Open this three-dot menu, select Advanced Options, and scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair and allow it to finish. Then, select Reset and confirm the action by clicking Reset again. After repairing and resetting both Xbox applications, try signing in to your Xbox account again. If you're still unable to log in, move on to the next solution. Open the Start menu, search for Services, and launch the Services application. Scroll down through the list until you reach the Xbox-related services. You should find 4 Xbox services in this section. Open each service one at a time by double-clicking it. In the Properties window, change Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then check Service Status. If the service isn't running, click Start to launch it. Once the status shows as running, click OK. Repeat the same process for the remaining Xbox services. For each one, set the startup type to Automatic, select Apply, and make sure the service is running. After all 4 Xbox services have been configured and are running, close the Services window. Now open the Xbox application and try signing in to your account again. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.